today at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado LT. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the truck. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, auto express windows, and the child lock button. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and those buttons are found on the front passenger seat also. Cloth interior. To the left of the steering wheel, trailer brake, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some interior light buttons. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side, we've got the cruise control buttons, and on the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we have the programmable garage door opener and some interior light buttons, as well as the rear window slider button. Down below, we have Chevrolet's Infotainment Center. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera. Down below, we've got the heated seat button, dual climate control with air conditioning. We've also got a CD player, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, box lighting, park assist, hill descent control, and we've also got some USB and power plug-ins. On top of the center console, we've got the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Silverado, we've got fog lights, 18-inch wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, running boards down the side. We've got the rear window slider at the back, as well as the corner step bumper. Those corner steps are located on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has the Z71 off-road package. At the rear, I'll open up the easy lift and lower tailgate. And in the box of the truck, we've got the spray-in box liner and some cargo hooks. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. On the passenger door, we've got power windows and a cup holder. On the backs of both front seats, there are some seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got a power plug-in and 2 storage compartments. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can raise these rear seats for some additional storage. So come take a look at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado LT today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.